Hello all, welcome to Krako's video series. Today I am here with 50 important GK questions that are helpful for your CMAT examination. In this video I have piled up all the subtopics like art and culture, social, science, and also miscellaneous topics like people and awards, countries and currencies, national parks, headquarters of organizations, and also agriculture and some other miscellaneous topics. Please do watch the video till the end. Don't miss any question. Make a note of all these questions at a place and write it so that it would be helpful for you for revision. And also please do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notifications. Let's see the first question. Kesariya Balam song is sung in which singing style? It is sung in Man singing style. It is a folk song from Rajasthan. Which was the mythological bird that tried to save Sita when Ravana was trying to kidnap her? The mythological bird is Jatayu. Sinhalese, the official language of Sri Lanka, is generally considered to be belonging to the same family of languages as. Like most of the people confuse it to Tamil, but Tamil is not. The correct answer is Marathi. Because Telugu, Kannada, Tamil and Malayalam, these are the languages which is having the origin from Dravidian languages. But Marathi and Sinhalese belong to the family of Indo-Aryan language. Let us see the next one. Whose daughter is Razia Sultan? Razia Sultan is the daughter of Shamsuddin Ityuminish. She administered the Delhi during 1231 to 1232 when her father is busy in Gwalior. Which is the poll tax charged on non-Muslim subjects during Mughal period? The poll tax that is charged on non-Muslim subjects during the Mughal period is jizya tax. It has been started by Ahmed Shah. The main intention of starting such tax is as the tax amount will be high, in order to not pay tax, the people of other religions get converted into Islam. This was the main motto of introducing this tax, but later Akbar has abolished this tax in the year 1579. Who is the proponent of Vishishta Advaita? The proponent of Vishishta Advaita is Ramanujacharya. Friends, Krako is providing CMAT previous papers. Please do Google search Krako CMAT previous papers and download them for your reference and go through the paper once and practice it as a main examination paper. Which state in India is leading producer of sugarcane? Uttar Pradesh is the state in India that is the leading producer of sugarcane. In India, alluvial soils are majorly found on the floodplains of these are found on the floodplains of Narmada, Godavari, Mahanadi and Kaveri, on all the rivers. Therefore, the answer is all of the above. Let us see the next one. What is the currency of Mexico? The currency of Mexico is peso. And the capital of Mexico is Mexico City. Let us see the next one. Renminbi is the currency of which of the following countries? It is the currency of China. It is said to be the official currency of China. China is having two currencies. One is renminbi and the other is yuan. Renminbi is called as people's currency. Let us see the next one. Which of the following is the correct abbreviation of NSSO? The correct abbreviation of NSSO is National Sample Survey Organization. International Finance Corporation known as Soft Loan Window of. The International Finance Corporation is known as Soft Loan Window of World Bank. The main purpose of the World Bank is to provide grants and concessional loans to the poor countries. World Consumer Day is celebrated on. World Consumer Day is celebrated on March 15th. Friends, Krakow is providing 5 latest pattern CMAT mocks and also 1 free mock for rupees 299. Please do Google search Krakow CMAT mock test series and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. Let us see the next question. International Coffee Day is celebrated on which of the following date of the month? International Coffee Day is celebrated on 1st October. Every year March 20 is celebrated on what day? Every year March 20 is celebrated as World Sparrow Day.
We at Krakow provide all the previous year CAT papers along with many other MBA examinations such as IIFT, XAT, SNAP, MAT, CMAT, TIS and PGDBA in the actual exam format. You can attempt them as a test and get a detailed analysis of your performance or download them as PDFs.
Mirages generally occur in desert. The theory behind the mirages is they occur because of the total internal refraction. Let us see the next one. The Seshachalam Hills are located in. The Seshachalam Hills are located in Andhra Pradesh. These are the part of Eastern Ghats. Kashmir Valley in Jammu and Kashmir is situated on the bank of which river? It is situated on the bank of Jhelum River. Who is the first licensed pilot of India? The first licensed pilot of India is J.R.D. Tata. He got the license in the year 1929. J.R.D. Tata is Jahangir R.D. Tata. Let us see the next one. First woman to get Ashoka Chakra is. The first woman to get Ashoka Chakra is Neeraja Banot. She is the air hostess in an aeroplane. Friends, Krakow is providing CMAT mock test series for rupees 299. We are providing 5 mocks and also 1 free mock. Please do Google search Krakow CMAT mock test series and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. A Century is Not Enough is an autobiography of. It is an autobiography of Sourav Ganguly and this has been originally published in the year 2018. Who wrote the book Gujarat Files Anatomy of a Cover-Up? This book has been written by Rana Ayub and this was originally published in the year 2016. Which fort is also known as Golden Fort? Jaisalmer Fort is also known as Golden Fort. It is also called as Sona Khila. It is located in Rajasthan. Let us see the next one. Who said Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan and Jai Vigyan? Atal Bihari Vajpayee has said Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan and Jai Vigyan. Narendra Modi, our Prime Minister, has added Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai Vigyan and Jai Anusandhan. This has been added by our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. Let us see the next one. Experience our expertise is the tagline of. It is the tagline of Yes Bank. It has been founded in the year 2004.
The secret to crack CAT is taking a lot of mocks. If you simply Google Krakow free CAT mocks, you can find 3 mocks in the latest exam pattern. You can attempt them and get a detailed analysis of your performance along with comprehensive explanations to each question.
Dance forms Povda, Lavani and Koli are popular in which state? These are popular in the state of Maharashtra. The Indian musical instrument Sambadini is which type? It is a wind type instrument. Dogri is primarily spoken in which state? It is primarily spoken in Jammu Kashmir state of India. Who has begun the Chishti Silsila? Chishti Silsila has been begun by Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti. It is a Sunni Sufi order within the mystic Sufi tradition of Islam. Friends, Krakow is providing CMAT previous papers. Please do Google search Krakow CMAT previous papers and download them for your reference and better practice. World War II was fought between two groups, the Allies and Axis powers. Which country did not belong to Axis powers? Denmark is the country that did not belong to the Axis powers. Who were the saints devoted to the Vishnu called as? The saints, those are devoted to Vishnu, are called as Alvars. Which of the following soils are found in India? All the soils, black soil, forest soil, alluvial soil and red soil, these all are found in India. Therefore, the answer is all of the above. Which is the chief cash crop of Tamil Nadu? Coffee is the chief cash crop of Tamil Nadu. Which of the following cities is the capital of Poland? The capital of Poland is Warsaw. A small trick is, I saw a war in Poland. So, these are the two keywords which leads to the word Warsaw. So, this sentence tells us that Warsaw is the capital of Poland. So, remembering this sentence would be easy to remember that Warsaw is the capital of Poland. Hope this trick is useful for you. Let us see the next one. What is the capital of Guyana? The capital of Guyana is Georgetown. Permanent Secretariat to coordinate the implementation of SAARC program is located at? It is located at Kathmandu. The full form of SAARC is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Let us see the next one. Where is the headquarters of Central Bureau of Investigation located? The headquarters of CBI is located at New Delhi. Every year, World Water Day is observed on. Every year, World Water Day is observed on March 22nd. Let us see the next one. Annually, International Day of Happiness is observed on. Annually, International Day of Happiness is observed on March 20th. Friends, Krakow is providing 5 latest pattern CMAT mocks and also 1 free mock for rupees 299. Please do Google search Krakow CMAT mock test series and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. World Tsunami Day is celebrated every year on. World Tsunami Day is celebrated every year on November 5th. Jog Falls is situated on which river? Jog Falls is situated on the river called as Sharavati. Jog Falls are also called as Geroseppa Falls. Let us see the next one. Which of the following lake lies on the equator of African continent? Victoria is the lake that lies on the equator of African continent. It is the world's largest tropical lake. World's largest tropical lake and second largest freshwater lake. Let us see the next one. The world's highest uninterrupted waterfall is? The world's highest uninterrupted waterfall is Angel Falls. It is located in Venezuela. Let us see the next one. Polythene was invented by Eric Fawcett in the year. Polythene was invented by Eric Fawcett in the year 1933. Louis Gluck was awarded Nobel Prize in? Louis Gluck was awarded Nobel Prize in the field of literature for her unmistakable poetic voice. Who is the author of the book Ignited Minds? The author of the book Ignited Minds is Abdul Kalam. The author of the book The Lowland is? The author of the book The Lowland is Jhumpa Lahiri. This book was originally published in the year 2013. Rabindranath Tagore was the founder of? Rabindranath Tagore was the founder of Vishwa Bharati. Which city is located on the banks of the river Alaknanda? Badrinath is the city that is located on the banks of the river Alaknanda. What is the official language of Jammu and Kashmir? The official language of Jammu and Kashmir is, from the given options, it is Urdu. We are also having the other languages like Dogri, Hindi, English and Urdu. Hope you like the video. Hope these questions are helpful for your examination. Please do make a note of all these questions at a place so that it will be really helpful for you to give a glance before the examination. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notifications. And also if you have any suggestions regarding the video or any doubts, you can tell me through the comment section. Thank you.